How's it going, guys, and welcome back to my channel Shambolism HD. Another day, another video, and what a truly fantastic moment it is. Brought us our first gold medal after 13 years from the Tokyo Olympics 2021 in the javelin throw. So now you all must be wondering, why have I titled the video the way I have? Well, as such a great country that India is, we should be demanding more than just 7 medals. And the point of making this video is today I'm going to explain to all of you how we as a nation need to take that next step in world sports. So without wasting any time, let's get right into this.
Wouldn't be so satisfied by our performance in the Olympics, and I'll come to that. But I just want to make sure that you all understand that by making this video, by no means am I going to take away any credit of any of the athletes taking part in this year's Olympics. The athletes deserve all the credit, and I'm really proud of them, and I'm sure we all are very proud of them that they fought their hearts out and did pretty well in the Olympics. So now I'm going to start by saying that India came 47th in the Olympics by winning a grand total of 7 medals. Now that's 7 is not bad. I mean, it is 7 medals, but I want you all to see it from my point of view, which is this point of view, which is that India won 7 medals, that's right, but out of 1.3 billion, because that is our population, ladies and gentlemen. Smart. But like, no jokes, China came first with 38 gold medals and USA came second with 36 gold medals. And we won 1 gold medal. So my point here being is that why do we always look at the Olympics like it is something Indians just can't go and overtake the Olympics? Like, why can't our mentality be such that we as a nation try to become a superpower in the Olympics? I just don't see people have that mentality. Like, I was just listening, I don't know where it was, on a radio or on where did I hear this? On a radio or on the telecast or something. One guy went, he went, medal jeeta wo theek hai. Means we won a medal, that's fine. पर इंडियन ओलंपिक जाके मेडल जीता वो बड़ी बात. Like, why will you say that? Like, why is our mentality 2 steps back, not 1 step forward? Why we as a nation don't want our athletes to go toe to toe with the likes of China, with the likes of USA, with the likes of Japan? Why are we proud if we are 47th? Like, we can be proud of the athletes that took part in the tournament. I'm proud of PV Sindhu, I'm proud of Bajrang, I'm proud of Ravi, I'm proud of Neeraj. But why are we happy with 7? Why can't we demand more? Why can't we ask for more? It's almost like thinking like a relegation club in the Premier League. Like, if a relegation club beats Manchester City, who are on first on the table, they'll be very happy. But at the end of the day, they'll get relegated. India's thought in the Olympics is like a relegation set, and nobody can tell me otherwise, because that's a real fact. The problem is athletics is not given enough importance in our country. Athletics always is second, third in school also. Always studies are more important. Always being book smart is important. Even in my school, like when we had physical education, the class wasn't taken seriously at all. Like, we used to take 20 minutes to go down to the field and we used to play for 10 minutes because our period used to be only for 30 minutes. And most of the periods other teachers used to take. Like the maths teacher, the science teacher, because they didn't finish their portion in their periods. So athletics is not given enough importance in our country, and that is why out of 1.3 billion people, India won only 7 medals. Not 7 medals, only 7 medals. So how is this going to change? It's not like there's no potential in our country. What Neeraj Chopra showed me, what PV Sindhu showed me, is that there is a lot of talent and there's a lot of potential in our country. So how's that potential, how's that talent going to come out? The country has to make paths. easier path for athletics to come forward and showcase their talents. Now, how's that going to happen? A person in power, the higher authorities need to, check this and check the level of sports in a country. Sports is not only cricket. I love cricket. Cricket is a very important part of our country, but there's much more than cricket to sports. There are so many other sports that we can excel in as a country. Now, I'm not saying this is a one-day process. It's not that tomorrow in the morning we all get up and suddenly we are all gold medalists, we are all the best athletes ever. No, it's a 10-year process, it's a 15-year process, it's maybe even a 20-year process. The point is, someone has to come forward and take that first step, which will make us that superpower which we all want to be in the Olympics. Why are we afraid of fighting with USA, with China? We shouldn't be afraid. We are a country that dreams, that we are a country which has turned the impossible into possible. So what I am trying to tell you all is, we as Indians should demand more, should ask more, should have kind of an arrogance, because we have that talent. That's what the athletes that played well in the Olympics showed me, that there are many more. So what our task is that we need to find more Neerajes, we need to find more PV Sindhus, we need to find more Bajrangs, and that will happen if the authorities place in better infrastructure for sportsmen, for athletes. If you go to the US, if you go to China, there from a very young age there's a system in place. When few schools, even if you join, you have to choose a sport, you have to choose an extracurricular activity, and that kind of importance is not given in India. Athletics, like if you're athletic, it's kind of looked down upon, in fact, in many places. So what we need to do as a nation is, we need to take that next step, where we can then compete with the higher powers in the Olympics, with US, with China, with Japan. When we don't get one, we get 25 to 30 gold medals. We get more and more bronze. We get more and more silver. We become a superpower, is what I'm trying to say. We compete in more sports. And of course, out of 1.3 billion, if you're telling me only 7 are capable of going and winning in the Olympics, then you need to go check yourself. I'm not even kidding, because there have to be more. There are more Bajrangs out there. There are more PV Sindhus out there, and it is our responsibility that such talent doesn't go wasted. It's just like buying a Porsche or a Rolls Royce in Mumbai. You bought the car, that's all fine, but where will you drive it? There's no place on the roads. If you take a Rolls Royce outside, you're going to crash 100%, because people are reckless and there's no place. So your car is going to be in the parking lot, getting rusted, and that's what happening to sports talent in India. It's getting rusted. It's not getting utilized. It's like you have a tap, but the pipe is not working. There is water in the tap. There is a lot of water, but the pipe is not working. So how much ever you turn the knob, the water is not going to come out. The water is not going to flow. The talent is not going to flow. So the point of making this video is, we as Indian citizens need to pay more importance to athletics. We need to pay more attention to athletics, to sports, and make together a better path for upcoming athletes, so that more and more people go and make us proud on the world stage. Like, I don't want to take anything away from the other people who went and won medals in the Olympics, or who even competed in the Olympics. But we need better. Like, the Indian contingent this time was, I have it written down here somewhere, 127. 127. It sounds like a big number, but China had 400 plus. If you see our opening ceremony, the Indian contingents are like a dot, like a circle. China, it looks like they've got the full country to play Olympics. So that is how we need to progress. We need to become like China. We need to become like USA. And I'm saying it again, it's not like we don't have the talent. We just don't have the roads. We have the Rolls Royce, but we don't have the road. We have water, but we don't have a fixed pipe. So, that's all I want to say. We need to, it's a very serious subject, and we need to make changes so that more and more individuals access in sports on the world stage. And again, I want to say, I'm really proud of all the athletes, all the individuals who went and won in the Olympics and made us all proud. And hopefully, in the coming Olympics, we have many, many more. And again, we take that next step, which I'm talking about, which is competing with USA, China, and Japan and reaching the top of that pyramid. So, hopefully, that happens, and hopefully, we as Indians will be more proud in the future. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, buttons on the bottom right hand corner of your screens, and like this video and check out my other videos that I have recently uploaded. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in a bit.